Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that I need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Amazon, click the Create button. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Similarly, you need to do this as well on your PayPal account. Log in with your credentials. If you haven't already, click the sign up button and just choose the following and you're all set. Now, let me tell you that Amazon does not directly support PayPal as a payment method on its website. However, you can still use PayPal indirectly on Amazon through a workaround. For example, I'm going to be choosing any item here. Like for example, I wanted to buy this specific Jordans, right? I'm gonna click on the buying options at the bottom. Okay, and I wanted to click the buy now option, the button. You see, under the payment method, you can't see any PayPal here. You are limited to pay over time with Affirm. We have a separate video on how to use Affirm or pay in installments here in Amazon. You might want to check that out on our channel. But the thing is, you can only add a credit or debit card. Okay? When you click on it, you see that these are the options that you are limited. Amazon accepts all major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Discover, and a lot more. Okay? But don't worry, because one of the best workarounds here is simply add or pay cash with your Amazon store card. Alright? Now the thing is, make sure that you have enough balance to pay for a certain Amazon gift card, which you can use at the checkout process. Okay? You see, there's a lot that you can explore on the gift cards for Amazon. Okay, so Google Play and a lot more. You can shop birthday gift cards. You have Visa and MasterCard gift cards. Of course, for example, we're going to use the Amazon gift cards. You can choose the e-gift cards and physical gift cards if you wanted. For example, this one right here. So I'm gonna choose the Amazon.com gift card in a birthday pop-up box. You see some options right here. Click on it. And from here, you can simply redeem a gift card. Enter a claim code, dash is not required. Okay, and apply that to your balance. Now, the balance would reflect on your account here. For example, you have purchased a $20 gift card using your PayPal balance or PayPal funds. All right, the gift card will you redeem that. Of course, it will reflect on the gift card balance, which you can obviously again use to pay in anything here on your Amazon account. For example, you really wanted to buy this Jordans. When you click the buy now option, you would be able to use the PayPal balance. Under this section, enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code, and of course, just use your PayPal balance, and you would be able to use the Amazon's indirectly using your PayPal's account on Amazon. All right, and always check Amazon's current policies and offerings regarding about payment methods, as they may change over time. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.